Okay, good afternoon, everyone. This is the time when I have free times and I have a brisk walking with my wife from the Alexandra Road. We climb up and as we call this as Forest Walk from Alexandra Road to Telok Blangah Hill Park. Okay, what we could see a lot of flora and fauna. Squirrels and yet to meet any monkeys along this, and actually this particular forest walk is just behind the Telok Blangah estate, and we could find a lot of kind of trees and the birds, but as we do not bring our binoculars, we was not able to capture. Okay, this is about the bamboo that has torn down, but it keep on growing. Even though it was patah lah, broken, and but still move on. Okay, now this is the place where Happy walk with me, and we also have some old trail. They call it earth trail rather than the forest walk. We decided to use the forest walk other than the earth trail, and we managed to reach this particular place whereby we will be able to see the Sentosa Island. We can also see the Marina Bay Sands towers and other high-rise building around the vicinities of Telok. Okay, this is me. Okay, you see that I'm walking.
Oke, sekarang kita dah sampai dekat jalan atas di mana ada jembatan. Oke, sekarang kita dah sampai dekat jalan atas di mana ada jembatan.